Welcome, Chicago Park District.
Hey everyone, my name is Justin Boats with the Inferno Mobile Youth Arts Program. When you think about writing music and the musical instruments people use to create that music, what comes to mind? Drums? Stringed instruments? Trumpets or horns? What if you could write music with any sound from anywhere? Well, in this video, teaching artist Jason Roebke shows us how we can do exactly that with an iOS app called Boarderlands Granular. Let's watch as Jason composes a sound piece with the Boarderlands app using sounds from our very own Humboldt Park.
Hello, my name is Jason Roebke, and today I'm going to show you how to create sound compositions with the Boarderlands app. I have two recordings here, one from Humboldt Park and one from a forest with lots of owl sounds and rain. And my idea was there's some lower sounds in this one and higher sounds in that one, is to make them these high sounds even higher and these low sounds even lower, and to make some of the sounds stop, make it less dense with sound. So I made this one, this cloud here, and all these little white dots are playing little bits of the sound. And it's kind of rhythmic. And these two make these sounds. This is very high, and this is more like the normal sound, but with a little bit more silence in between the bird sounds. So that was my piece, and let's see what we do if we switch these around.